Hello guys, Perfection. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Hot Wheels car. So this is the Camaro Convertible concept. So as you can see, this is a pretty old release. It says HW Workshop 2015. So yeah, this is a short card, and I remember when Hot Wheels Showdown was still a thing. Cause right now I'm pretty sure the game is dead. But yeah. So I got this maybe like a few years back. I was just digging around for stuff to open. So here's the car itself. I'm not the biggest fan of the rims, but they'll be fine. So this car has a metal body and a plastic base, and I do believe this is a Camaro concept from 2007 from the Detroit Motor Show. So it's made in Malaysia. It's black plastic base, and all around it, it's got a striped theme livery and a orange that could be replicating the Hugger orange. But yeah. So here's the front of it. Here's the other side. One thing that's pretty cool is that it does have the doorknobs and the gas cap. Those are quite rare details. So of course it's a convertible, so we get to see the inside of the car. Nothing special in there, just 4 regular back seats. Not back seats, just 4 regular seats, but the back seats, they look quite uncomfortable. Like, if I had to sit in this Camaro, it would definitely not be the back seat. But anyways, that is about it. Until next time, this Perfish out.